This guide will show how to uncover that hidden junk, safely remove it, and get your space back. You're watching Safety Detectives, making cybersecurity simple, practical, and actually useful. Start with the simple stuff. These quick fixes often free several gigabytes right away. First, restart your Mac. It sounds basic, but it clears temporary cache files and resets memory that quietly builds up in the background. Next, empty your bin. Those deleted files still sit there, eating up storage until you do. Now, open System Settings. Go to General, then Storage, and check the Recommendations section. Here, you'll see suggestions like Store in iCloud or Optimize Storage. Turn those on, and macOS will keep older files and photos in iCloud, freeing up valuable drive space instantly. If you use the Mail app, open it, click Message in the menu bar, and select Remove Attachments. Those saved attachments are quietly taking up space even though you've already read the emails. And finally, check for old iPhone or iPad backups. Open Finder, then press Command, Shift, and G. Now just paste the path you see on the screen. You'll see folders for your previous device backups here. If any are years old or from phones you no longer use, you can safely delete them. That's your quick cleanup done, easy steps, instant results. Now, let's move on to what's really behind that massive system data section. By the way, if you want your Mac fully protected while you're cleaning it up, watch our video for the security tools that keep your Mac fast and safe. Cloud storage apps can also inflate system data without you realizing it. Dropbox, OneDrive, and iCloud Drive often keep local copies of files that should stay online. To fix this, open Dropbox, go to Preferences, then Sync Settings, and set large folders to online only. In OneDrive, open Settings, then Sync and Backup, and choose which folders you want stored locally. Anything you don't need offline can stay in the cloud. For iCloud Drive, open System Settings, then Apple ID, then iCloud, and turn on Optimize Mac Storage. That one setting can free up tens of gigabytes if you use iCloud heavily. Once you've done that, your Mac will automatically start clearing local copies of cloud files you rarely use. It may take a few minutes to update, but system data should shrink even more once it's done. And if you want to take privacy even further, watch our ultimate web privacy and security guide that shows how to secure any browser on your Mac in minutes. To keep things running smoothly, restart your Mac once a week, clear app caches from time to time, and make sure cloud storage stays set to online only. That's all the maintenance your system really needs. If you found this helpful, check out our upcoming video on the best Mac cleaners, which is perfect if you'd rather automate everything we just did. Subscribe to Safety Detectives so you don't miss it, and tell us in the comments how much space you managed to recover. Until next time, stay secure and keep your Mac running like new.